magpapa-or. Di ba yung balat ng niyog, yung yung bao, yun yung inaano na, kadalasan na inaano sa mga dancer, nilalagay dito, ito yung sa likod, sa ano, sa tuhod,
Sampol na saya tayo. Sampol.
si ano na siya mag-ano na
Ayan. Ano sampol yan? Ano saya?
So, ano siya hindi yun ano siya, dance from ito lang sa Pilipinas. Tapos, yun nga yung may counts na may counts yan siya yung tugtog ng parang dumbbell, sinasabayan yung pagpupok ng bao. Yung parang yun, basta di ko maano.
Sampol.
May video kasi hindi ko na So, mga dancer dito is, sila, yung masisigla, energetic sila. Tapos karamihan talaga na sumasayo ng maglalamig dance is mga lalaki. So, yun lang. Continuation lang sa maglalamig dance. So, where does the dance came from? So, maglalamig is a Southeast Asian form of dance, which is an indigenous dance style which originated from the Philippines. It is performed mainly by men. So originally, this folk dance is from Binyan, Laguna, and it is danced as an awkward dance that demonstrates a fight between the Moros and the Christians over the prize that came or the coconut tree during the Spanish rule. So this dance is also shown to pay tribute to the town's patron saint, San Isidro Labrador. So it has a four-part performance such as the Palpasan and the Baliktaran, or dito sinushow yung fight between the Moros and the Christian. And the Paseo and the Escaramuza, which shows the reconciliation naman ng dalawang parties. So, sa costume, si Miss Ortega na ang
Moral dancers were red cruisers while the Christian dancers go out to the yung maglalatay dance, kadalasan yung masayaw, the result nila is polite, then yung A, yung Mama Jan!
Oh, wala.
Moral dancers wear red cruisers while the Christian dancers go out and all dancers are yung malaki ng persuasion na ang maglalatay. With the partners of coconut shells, yung po yung sinabi ni Ate Julia na yung sa coconut shells attached on their chest, back, side, and
Pagkaganda na lang talaga sa mga PowerPoint. Very readable.
from what side or group of people that is nasa. So, yung sarang maglalatay is originated in the town of Pinan in the Laguna province of the Filipino Islands, and it's also performed as homage to the town stage of San Isidro Labrador. And maglalatay is an original native dance of the Philippines in which the coconut are attached to the torso of the dancers. All the elegant display of harmless February, maglalatay. Ang maglalatay na is, pang-apat sa, ay isa sa, pang-apat sa,
Dapat ka isa.
maglalatay is 4-5 were dance which the Moro had one. Then what is the nature of the dance? Is it ritual or cycle or occasional? What is the nature of the
Paulit mo
dance? Is it ritual or cycle or occasional? So the nature of the Magnetic dance is ritual. This dance was created to represent a fight between the Moros and Muslims. Panasabi siya po yung represents Moros and Muslims create community, and this dance is also performed to pay tribute to the Taos patron Saint San Isidro Labrador. Over the cake, a product obtained after the coconut milk has been boiled. Furthermore, this dance is supposed to be performed during Christian occasions such as feast and religious occasions.
Thank you for listening.
Oh, please.